This 2021 Jayco Jay Flight Bungalow 40 LOFT triple slide, queen bedroom upper bunk loft is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 41 feet 1 inch in length and features sleep 6, slide out, external shower, air conditioning, TV, skylight, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Jayco Jay Flight Bungalow 40 LOFT triple slide, queen bedroom upper bunk loft is 12,065 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.